everyone, welcome back to Zikki's World. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. It's a beautiful Saturday morning over here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you are stopping by for the first time, I want to welcome you to Zikki's World. My name is Ngozi. I am a food, family and lifestyle vlogger, and I am reporting from California, United States of America. I live here with my family. How are you all doing? I want to especially appreciate all my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch our video, and to you that is stopping by for the first time, thank you so much. I want you to subscribe to be a part of my family, okay? This is New Year, this is 2020, and this is 1st February 2020, right? So I am here with my daughter. My son is upstairs because today is Saturday. It's Saturday morning and he's just playing upstairs. My daughter Miracle, she's still sleeping. Guys, this morning it's been a very busy and rough week for me. Like from Monday till yesterday, I've been so busy running around hospital back and forth from Monday till yesterday. But I am so happy and glad to be here with you guys. So I said this morning, I wake up, I am super tired. Like I said, why don't just take a shower and just, dress up and do one or two things around the kitchen. So guys, that is why you see me like this, okay? It's a Saturday morning, and growing up, Saturday morning is a day that you get to clean your house, do a lot of chores around the house. So today, I'm going to be cleaning my fridge, okay? This morning, I just took my shower and get ready. I said, I have to do something in the house, not just, dress up and just, just be walking around the house. But it's just good for myself because I really had a long week. I really had a very stressful week. But I thank God that I am alive. I thank God that I'm strong enough to share this with you guys. So today, I'm going to be cleaning my fridge. Yes, since this year, I've not cleaned my fridge and the fridge is very dirty and I don't like the way it is. Yeah. So let's start. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and be a part of my family, okay? And also share this video. It's very important for you to, like in one of the previous video I did about New Year resolution, I talked about what? Decluttering your home. So I'll be decluttering my fridge right now. So let's do this together, okay? Stay with me, do not go anywhere. So let's clean this fridge. So these are the items I'll be using to clean the fridge. So the first thing, very important, is my cleaning vinegar. I got this from Dollar Tree, just $1, and I'll be using this dishwashing liquid, and I'll be using this microfiber cleaning towel. As you can see, it's just two, but I'll be using one, and also I'll be using lemon to clean my fridge. And then I'll be using this spray bottle to mix cleaning vinegar, water, and lemon to spray and clean the fridge. So yes, so this is the few things. If I'll be adding more things, I will still let you know. Chimama. Chimama.
I'm trying to listen to you.
You are trying to listen. You are trying to listen to me.
Yeah.
Hey, Chideke. Okay, guys, let's start cleaning. Chimama is here with me. Say hi.
Hi.
Look at the camera and say hello.
Hi.
Okay, guys, let's start this, okay? So, guys, this is the fridge. I'm going to show you how it looks like right now. It's really not what I wanted for my fridge. So a lot of things need to be taken out, a lot of cleaning needs to be done, and a lot of arranging needs to be done in the fridge. And this over here, I don't know how many of you keep your bread on top of the fridge. Is it right to leave the bread on top of the fridge or inside the fridge? Because I don't really know why I'm keeping this bread on top of the fridge, but I feel like leaving it on top of the fridge. So I'm going to be doing, thorough cleaning in the fridge and rearranging it. So the first thing is just to bring out all the things that are inside the fridge. I'll bring out everything inside the fridge, then we'll continue from there, okay? So guys, this is how dirty this fridge is. I've not cleaned it for a long time now. So this is how dirty this fridge is. I just want to show you how it is before I start cleaning. And yeah, this is how it is. These are some peppers inside the fridge. So this is why I needed water, lemon, and this liquid soap. So this is it. It's really dirty. This is not how my fridge usually used to be, but this is how it is right now. And these are all the things I got from the fridge. Everything I got from my fridge. So guys, this is the rack. I am done washing it. So I'm just allowing it to dry. So now I'm going to start cleaning the fridge. So by the time I'm done cleaning the fridge, it will dry. But if not, I'm going to use a paper towel to clean it if it's not dry by then. So we are going to be using this. In here I have lemon juice, I have white vinegar, cleaning vinegar, and also water. So I mix 3 of them together and dish liquid soap. I'm going to use it to deep clean the fridge before I use this mixture to spray and clean as well. Okay, so this is the water and the clothes. So I'm going to use it to clean the fridge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring all of them out and wash it in the sink and continue cleaning the fridge. So this is 3 of them. I brought it out. I'm going to put it in the sink and wash it and continue cleaning. And he's my God, and his name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh, Yahweh. And he is my God, and his name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh, Yahweh. Guys, the Lord is so good to me. The Lord has been so good. The Lord has been faithful to me and my family. Imagine January just ended like that. And today is 1st of February 2020. A lot of people join us in this month, but they didn't make it up till now. And he's my God, and his name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh, calling Yahweh. He's my God, and his name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh, Yahweh. I cannot do cleaning without a music. No way. It's going to be boring. Yes, guys, it's going to be boring. It's even better Miracle is sleeping so that I can be able to concentrate and do this. She didn't sleep last night. This is one of the things I'm complaining to the doctor. She has not been sleeping. It keeps me awake all the time. So she's sleeping. It's the best time for me to do this. So after that, I'm going to use this and clean the outside too. I've not thought, so I have to stretch myself to get this. Yes. This is the mixture I'll be using to spray outside and inside to clean the fridge or to rinse the fridge. So guys, I'm done cleaning the fridge. Let me show you exactly what it looks like inside, okay?
Clean.
It looks clean.
Yeah.
It looks clean.
Yeah.
So guys, this is everything I brought out, and this is the fridge. As you can see, it's well clean right now. So there is no single dirt inside this fridge, and it's smelling so good, guys. Can you compare before and now, or now and before? Everywhere is well clean. So guys, I forgot to show you this. I'll be adding my baking soda. Just put it around. So I put 2. Yeah, so this is how everyone looks like. So guys, we are done cleaning the fridge. So I ended up taking out everything that is on top of the fridge and clean it. Yeah, so guys, I am done cleaning this fridge. Like, I am super excited and happy that I get to clean this fridge today, being 1st of February 2020. So did I motivate you to clean your fridge or clean anywhere around your house that you feel reluctant to do? I just, finished doing mine. So I hope I motivate you to clean your kitchen, to clean anywhere in your house that needs to be cleaned. So yes, so this is going to be the end of today's video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, I want you to give me a thumbs up, and also if you like what you see, subscribe to be a part of our family. I'll be so glad to be identified with you. So guys, thank you so much. Like I said, it's a beautiful Saturday morning, and I want to wish you a happy new month, guys. We made it to a new month. Today is February 1st, 2020. After all the things that we've been through in January, I promise you that this month is going to be a blessed month for you. And those visions that you have written down for yourself and you did not meet it in January, this is February. Keep working on it, keep pursuing it, and being hardworking, and just set your mind on the things that you desire or the things that you want to achieve for yourself in this year 2020. Let me speak in American accent. 2020, right? But in Nigerian accent we say 2020. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to make something for myself and relax and edit this video so that I will upload it. I want to upload it today being Saturday. Like, I don't want it to go over Sunday. I want to upload it today being Saturday. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and be a part of my family. Let me just relax, you know, and meditate, you know, watch videos and just rest. Because so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If I motivate you, stand up wherever you are right now, start cleaning your house, whether your dishwasher, whether your oven, your stove, your kitchen, anywhere around your house that need decluttering and cleaning. Do it. You will love the fresh fragrance that will be coming out. Like my fridge, the way it smells right now, I feel like going inside it, close it and stay there. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a beautiful week, have a fruitful week, and have a beautiful month. I love you guys. Bye.